In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to hide base40 watermark step by step. Let's start by confirming what we're changing. Open your published base44 app in the browser. On the live site, you'll see the small edit with base44 watermark. That's the mark we're going to hide using the app's own settings so you keep a clean, professional look on your public pages. Next, head into your base44 workspace for this app. This is the editor environment where you manage your project. Once you're in, look for the main landing area, commonly labeled dashboard. Click into the dashboard so you're working from the central overview of your app. From the dashboard, locate the settings section. This is typically in the left-hand navigation or near the top, depending on your layout. Click Settings to open the configuration options for your app environment. Inside Settings, choose App Settings. This is where you'll find controls that affect how your app appears publicly. In App Settings, look for the option related to the watermark. You should see a control or toggle to hide the watermark. If that control appears locked, that means it requires the builder plan or a higher tier. The feature is designed for paid plans, so you'll need the appropriate subscription before you can enable it. Once your plan allows it, turn on the option to hide the watermark and your changes will be ready to publish. With that setting adjusted, it's time to push the update live. Click Publish in your workspace. This opens the publishing flow that deploys your current settings and changes to the live app. Then confirm by selecting Publish App. Publishing ensures the hidden watermark setting moves from the editor to the production site your visitors see. When the publish finishes, return to your live web app in the browser and refresh the page. After the page reloads, the watermark should no longer be visible. If you've just made the change, give it a brief moment to propagate, then reload again to verify. What you're looking for is the same content and layout, now without the base44 branding overlay on the page. That's it. You verified the watermark on the live site, adjusted the setting in App Settings, published your changes, and refreshed your app to confirm the result. Following these steps keeps your workflow clean and ensures you're using the built-in supported method to control branding on your published app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you present your project exactly the way you want.